I'm Jonny Bone and I'm the head chef at Core by Clare Smyth in London. Since 2017 my role has changed but also stayed the same. It's kind of a strange analogy, but a big part of my role has moved on more and more, not just looking after the food and looking after the standards every day, but making sure the team is moving forward, mentoring and working with them to create great new young chefs. When we opened Core, we wanted to achieve a brilliant, fantastic restaurant, but we just wanted it also to be a place that everyone wanted to come to and that people enjoyed and had a great time every lunch or dinner whenever they were here. I've been working with Clare a long time now. I think it's 13, 14 years over sort of different restaurants. We have a great working relationship. Absolutely love working with her. It's a daily communication, working on food, the restaurant, the team. She's in every day, which is so fantastic and great for me, just working together all the time. When we opened Core, we wanted it to have its own identity, to be unique, to be different to what we've done before. We've had all of the history together at the previous restaurant, and now we've moved on to Core and it became something very different again, and it's been about us, about the people, about the journey, about the producers and the food we work with. That was something that we wanted to really kind of invest in and work with. With our team at Core, we're constantly challenging them in a new and different way every day. We're nurturing them in the sense of their work every day. We challenge them is probably the biggest word that we use, because we want them to become great cooks. We hold them to a really high standard. We push them so that they're working at their best ability. We want them to perform at the highest level, loving what they do. They always have a smile on their face, and creating that atmosphere is really important. And also I think a big part of it is the way that we have the glass window in the kitchen, and they see every single guest coming in and going, and they see the comments that they make, they listen to it, they see the enjoyment on people's faces, and it shows that, you know, what they're doing is right. We've got a very busy restaurant. That's another thing. It's all these things that are reaffirming all of the lessons that we talk to them about. I think we measure success at the restaurant by being here every day, being here in the future, building for the future. A big part of it is building a great business that works, and then being a great restaurant at the same time. I think we talked about a lot. That was the first thing we wanted. We need to have a business to operate to achieve everything that we achieved, and that is our success. And our success as our team is them moving forward and coming through and showing the same dedication and the same, you know, achievements when they leave us. That's huge. And our guests, making them happy, making them come back. We have a lot of regulars at the restaurant, and that's because they love it, and that's the enjoyment, and that's, you know, success for us, definitely.